Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to fix we couldn't install a required dependency in Valorant. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Okay, now what you got to do here is just got to type down SC delete VGC. And once that's done, just hit on Enter. Now go ahead and type down SC delete VGK. Alright, and after that, just hit on Enter, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, close the command prompt. Now go ahead and make sure that Riot client is not opened, okay? If a Riot client is open, just right click on it, hit on Exit. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and go to your Start menu, right click on it, click on Installed Apps. Find Vanguard right here at the search bar. Click on the three dots, hit on Uninstall. Uninstall. Yes, right here. Yes. Okay. Just wait for the process to finish. It may seem stuck right here, but just basically wait for it and it should be gone. So close it. You got to open up Riot client. And when we open it, okay, it will ask us to update any game as it will reinstall Vanguard. So just basically log in to one of your accounts. And then as you can see here, if you have installed Valorant or League of Legends, it will say update. So just click on update. Wait for the process to finish. And after that, it will ask you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix we couldn't install required dependency here in Valorant. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.